Hey everyone, I'm Jeep Momma and I'm out here on my driveway. A couple episodes ago, I shared with you some spring maintenance tips that you should be doing with your Jeep. And one of those was to grease your parts. So today I'm going to be working on my swing gate. It's really seized up, and so now I'm going to try to take off the swing gate from the post, grease it up, and put it back on. So let's see if I can do that. The first step you need to do is get the spare tire off the tailgate. Okay, so now I'm going to take my spare tire off my swing gate. I've got my mechanic's gloves on for some grip, and I've got my Coyote Premium accessory because this, I can extend it. This is going to give me more leverage so I can loosen the lug nuts and take my tire off. So I'm going to move the camera back a little so you can watch because this is a 35-inch tire and I don't have a lot of upper body strength there, so it's going to be challenging to get it off. I've done it before and I'll do it again. So I'm going to move the camera back over here, and here we go. So you don't want to start up here and pull down. You want to start at about here and put all your strength in it. Okay, so now to pull the tire off, and you can't really use your back, so I'm just going to pull it off and let it bounce. Okay, now that I have my spare tire off, I can work at lifting up the swing gate. I'm going to try that first to see if maybe I can easily lift it off. The last time I couldn't. I had to use the hammer and the PB blaster. So the next step is to take this top cap off, and what you're going to need to use is a Torx screwdriver, and Jeep makes this little set. You can get it on Amazon or any of the aftermarket places, and it has the specifics Torx that you need for stuff in your Jeep, like your headlights, this little spot, this taking your hard top off. This is really a hard top kit, but all the bolts that are on your Jeep, for the most part, you can use this. So I'm going to take this off. Yeah, there's rust. See, you take this off, and now you should be able to lift up on the tailgate, the swing gate. However, I don't think I'll be able to do it, but we'll see. Yeah, it's totally not budging. So I'm going to go try the pry bar next. So you can lift it up, but then you get to a certain point where, I guess maybe you can put it down here. Now I wonder if I can lift it off now. This works really good. See, it's not budging. So I'm going to actually turn the camera because I'm going to have to hold this at the same time. So we're going to put the camera right here so you can see. I think it's recording. I hope it's recording. Okay, I went and got my son to hold it just in case. You got it, Benny? Mm-hmm. You sure? Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh. Why is it not budging? Oh, shit. It's stuck now. Okay, ready? Ooh. Oops. You okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure you have a strong grip on your swing gate or you'll have a little accident. But it's off. So now it's time to put on the grease, and I'm using a Valvoline full synthetic grease. And this is what it looks like. And basically you just scoop some out and you just lather it up. Now it's time to put my swing gate back on. It's much harder now that my Jeep is lifted. So I'm gonna have to get some muscle. Okay, so I was having a little problems getting the swing gate back on, but I think I figured out how to do it. I think if I just keep twisting it back and forth, and it's getting on. I'm so smart. So anyway, then the next step is to put this back on, get my spare tire back on, which I'm gonna have to wait on that because I can't lift it all the way up onto there by myself. And then it's done. And then I'll have to do this all over again come this fall, and maybe even sooner than that, to keep the tailgate swinging easily.